Hi, this is Heidi Caswell here, WordPress 101 for Boomers. And we've been working on adding these update forms, opt-in forms to our sidebar. And this was how it looked after I used the PLM it's a premium plugin that I bought that works a lot with the different things that you may be featuring various places on your site where people can purchase and buy and things like that. But anyway, it kind of manages your campaigns in a way. But what I did when I put this in here is that does look sort of okay, but it's not exactly what I want. So I'm going to make some changes to it, and I'm sure that it's just me getting obsessive with the appearance of the site. You may have something up and running and it's working for you. Don't, go ahead and run with it. But I don't know, just things that just little things that just bug me, things that I think can make it be better, and so I'm going to make some changes to it, so I'm happy with it. The first thing is, as you can see, you have this rounded edge and then the square edge here, and this is how my widgets are normally set. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn this to white so it matches the rest of the background, and it's just kind of floating there. I went on into the dashboard under Appearance and the Weaver 2 theme options, and I just clicked on Main Options in Widget Areas. And here you can change the colors. This is a cool thing about Weaver, is you have different widget areas, and you can have them be whatever color you want them to be. So we're just going to take this top one, which is showing up here, and we're just going to turn it transparent. And hit Save Changes. Okay, here it is up, and I like that better. I don't know that I necessarily like these here in the white. I'm going to slide these on down to the next widget section. Okay, here I am in the back, and we're just going to slide these on down. So cool the way we can do this now. Okay. Let me actually put this one on down here. Okay. Okay, here I am. We have it up, and to me that looks a lot better than how we had it before. And then I have the other buttons down there. It's easy to move and change around. Anyway, this is up and running. And I want the colors just a little bit different. This is not quite the same as this. And that orange is a different orange. And these are things that you really don't have to do, but because I know how to do that, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And for those who get obsessed with colors and things, just go ahead and follow along and we'll work this out. Okay, what I'm using here is a little tool called Firebug. I'm in Firefox, and it helps me see what's going on with the code. And I can test my changes to see what they look like before I make them in person. And I'd be lost without it. I use it a lot. So I'm going to go ahead, and we're going to go on over to this widget area. I have another cool tool, which is like a color picker tool. And I can go in there and take this color that I have up there, and I'm going to change this background color to that. So I'm going over here to sideboard green, and you can see this number right there, and that's the number I'm going to change. Okay, and as I typed in the color in there and changed it from what it was, copying the one from up here, you can see it's a little darker green. It kind of matches it. I like the way it looks, so I'm going to go change this in my code. Okay, this is going to be a two-part tutorial here, but I went into the plugins, into the editor on plugins, and then from there I selected, it's not a Kismet that we have up here actually, we have the premium list magnet, which is what I had gone to. And then once it does, it pulls up all the different files on that, and I went into the file, premium list magnet SS PLM CSS. Now the CSS is what adds the style and things like that. And the other thing I do is I hit like a Control F, and I put in some of the words I saw from the other side. I put in opt-in /green, which helped me find where I needed to go.